Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin intraday. So we're gonna see what happened for Bitcoin today, and we're gonna see this of course on the 1 hour and the 15-minute chart for Bitcoin, starting here on the 4 hours first, just to explain where are we. So we are still looking here at potential W, X, and a wave Y. This wave Y can still be an ABC, very deep wave C, that it can reach the 52K if it wants to. Don't forget as well that we are still watching and observing the price, what is gonna be its reaction around this base channel, because breaking the base channel might be a confirmation for a wave 3 here to unfold, and not just a wave Y. And it can be of course a possibility here to confirm of course something as a deep correction, if you remember, on the daily. So let's move inside it on the 1 hour chart here to see what we might expect. So basically we are still expecting this triangle. Don't forget that I mentioned that, yeah, be careful, the triangles, they are always tricky. They expand and expand, and of course we're still here in a potential wave D unfinished yet, and we might still right now of course unfolding the wave E currently to push for higher. So therefore, yeah, we are looking at something impulsive here a little bit. It might be, of course, always the wave E is the trickiest in the triangle, so be careful with it. It is one of the most trickiest waves in Elliott Wave, is the wave E in triangle, because the wave E can push very, very, very high and can be very impulsive, because normally it looks like a very sharp zigzag, giving you the impression, oh, I'm gonna be very bullish here, I'm gonna hit the moon, right? And then boom. Yeah, so we gotta be careful with the wave E. So I believe that we might still, of course, here in a triangle, momentum again is shrinking down. There is a weakness. We don't see anything here as a signal yet for bullish, unless we really take the 70K 970, meaning that the tricky wave E really is gonna take the high, and if it does, therefore we confirm of course here something pushing for higher, meaning coming back to a potential 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Now basically the problem that you have here in this wave as a wave 1 is exactly over there. So you have a wave 1 as leading diagonal, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Until here, everything is fine as a wave 3. So you have 1, 2, 3, and then you have a wave 4 and a 5. But the wave 5 here is, of course, horrible. Yeah, so the wave 5 is looking here 3 waves, and then down, then 3, 4, and 5. The only way to count this is a horrible is a horrible ending diagonal, guys. So this is the only way, which is very, very rare normally that it happens, but look what a diagonal. So yeah, meaning like a wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5, something like this. Okay. But I hate to say that. Yeah, so I don't like it at all. For me, it doesn't look really like a nice, even look at the lower time frame here. Yeah, it doesn't look really perfect. Yeah, even the wave 4 interfere was a zone 1. So this is I mean, it, as per the rules, everything is fine. Yeah, as per the rules. But as for the shape, like the guideline, it should be nice. It should look nice. Well, that it doesn't look nice at all, right? So it's a guideline also, of course, from Elliott Wave. It should look nice, but this is horrible actually. But yeah, I mean, we cannot confirm it yet. Okay, we cannot confirm it unless we take, of course, the high. So 70K 970, of course. Then I consider, okay, this horrible ending diagonal for wave 5 there. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Despite the momentum is shrinking down, despite this ugly wave there, okay, we are bullish because we took, of course, the high. But until that time, of course, because right now it might be very bullish, very aggressive. Everyone is applauding, yeah, like, yeah, come on, Bitcoin. But yeah, at the end, of course, we come to this area, we start to see, of course, some weakness, and boom, pushing for lower. So let's wait for this critical key level. All right, so that was it for the intraday for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.